Have you ever dreamed of making money online while you sleep? Imagine waking up to find your bank account a little bit fuller each morning. In today's video, we're diving into 10 legit ways to make money online for passive income in 2024. Stay tuned, because these methods could change your life. Making money online isn't as easy as some might think. Many people dive in with high hopes only to face numerous challenges. From scams and get-rich-quick schemes to the overwhelming amount of misinformation, it can be hard to find reliable ways to earn passive income. Plus, even with legitimate opportunities, knowing where to start and how to effectively manage your time can be daunting. But don't worry, we're here to cut through the noise and present you with real, actionable methods that work. Let's explore these 10 legit ways to make money online in 2024. First up, we have affiliate marketing. By promoting products you love and earning a commission on sales, you can create a steady income stream. Websites like Amazon, Associates, and ShareASale make it easy to get started. Next is blogging. Creating valuable content on a blog can attract visitors and generate income through ads and sponsored posts. Platforms like WordPress and Medium are great places to begin. Third, consider investing in stocks or cryptocurrencies. Using platforms like Robinhood or Coinbase, you can grow your wealth passively. Remember to do your research and invest wisely. Another option is dropshipping. Set up an online store with Shopify or WooCommerce and sell products without holding inventory. This method can be highly profitable with the right niche and marketing strategy. Fifth, we have creating an online course. Share your expertise on platforms like Udemy or Teachable and earn money whenever someone enrolls. You can also earn through YouTube. By creating engaging content and monetizing through ads and sponsorships, you can build a passive income stream. Seventh, consider real estate crowdfunding. Invest in real estate projects through sites like Fundrise and earn passive income from rental properties and appreciation. Another method is print on demand. Design custom products like t-shirts and mugs and sell them through platforms like Printful and Redbubble. Ninth, audiobook narration can be a unique way to earn. If you have a good voice, narrate books for Audible and earn royalties. Finally, consider building and selling digital products. Create ebooks, templates, or software and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Out of all these methods, the most promising way to make passive income online in 2024 is affiliate marketing. Its potential for scalability and the minimal upfront cost make it accessible to everyone. By choosing the right niche and building a strong online presence, you can create a sustainable and lucrative income stream. So there you have it. We've covered 10 legit ways to make money online for passive income in 2024. Remember, the key is to take action and experiment with different strategies to find what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more money-making tips. Share your own success stories or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and here's to your financial freedom.